And welcome back to the Valley Today. Let's take a live look outside the Valley News Live Storm Team Skycam Network shot in Fargo. As we see mainly clear skies, that is going to be the story through most of the morning, maybe a few more clouds later on to the afternoon. Temperatures will lose a few degrees from where we are now. We're going to see lows into the mid-40s before rising again to a high near 64 degrees into the Fargo area as the wind does pick up, turning northwest at 10 to 20 miles per hour with some higher gusts going through the afternoon. Red River at Fargo currently is now just below the major flood stage, sitting at 29.95. Into the moderate stage it will go over the next 4 days or so, and it should be by around Sunday at midnight just under 28 feet. Red River at Oslo still in the major flood stage, currently 36.84. By later on into the weekend, we should see it cross into moderate flood stages. It gets below 36 feet. Still rising a little at Pembina. It's going to stay between 49.2 and 49.3 feet over the next several days, and then we'll see as we start next week if we can finally get that to start to make its way down, but it's going to be at major flood stage for at least the near future. River flood warnings in effect from Wahpeton all the way up toward the Canadian border. Current temperatures around the region show some upper 30s out toward Devil's Lake, Jamestown, and into the Bemidji area. A little warmer as we are seeing temperatures into the Southern Valley out toward Thief River Falls, Lakes Country, and into the Sisseton area, into the mid-40s to lower 50s, with wind speeds light right now. 5 to 15 miles per hour from the northwest, but they will pick up by later on into the afternoon. Wind advisory in effect into the Devil's Lake Basin going into effect at noon, lasting through 7 p.m. today. And with the wind and the dry air, red flag warnings are issued for most of the viewing area, with the exception of our far eastern counties, going into effect at 1 p.m. today and lasting through 8 p.m. We're mainly clear across the region and dry with some cloud cover, especially near the North and South Dakota border, but most of us are going to see a lot of sunshine as soon as the sun does rise. High pressure is working its way in. We have a little bit of a disturbance just off to our west that could give us some clouds later on to the afternoon. So we will see mostly sunny to partly cloudy skies. Most of the cloud cover and the moisture staying well off to the south, but the wind will definitely pick up going through this afternoon from the northwest. Now here's the hour-by-hour forecast, and we're going to see temperatures rise through the 50s into the mid-60s going through the afternoon as the wind does pick up, sustained around 24, some gusts up to 35-40 miles per hour, so it will be windy later on today. And then going through this evening, mainly clear skies. Temperatures in some areas getting into the 30s again to start off your Friday. And then going through the day on Friday, we will see mostly sunny skies early, but a slight increase in the clouds later on to the day and a few degrees cooler for tomorrow than we were today. Now, here's the afternoon planner for this afternoon. Temperatures into the low to mid 60s in most places into the Southern Valley, partly cloudy to mostly sunny skies. And temperatures across Lakes Country into the lower 60s, making our way into northwestern Minnesota, upper 50s in your direction, partly cloudy to mostly sunny skies, and windy into the Devil's Lake Basin, a high into the lower 50s and some upper 50s into the Northern Valley. Temperatures falling a few more degrees for your Friday, a high of 61 with windy conditions, then turning breezy for Saturday up to 48 degrees. We have a chance of some rain, possibly mixed with snow, going through Saturday, Sunday, and Monday as high temperatures are back into the mid-40s to start next week, and then 52 your high on Tuesday and 62 next Wednesday as temperatures back basically are rebounding from the low 50s into the low 60s.
Okay, thank you, Justin. Home buying can be stressful and confusing at times. Just ahead, we'll get a preview of an event that can make that home buying process go a little smoother.